You've mastered the art of the backlog. You've survived program increment planning without losing your mind. But now, your leadership wants to sprinkle some AI onto your Agile Release Train, and suddenly, your predictable velocity is looking like a total hallucination. In the world of SAFe, AI isn't just another feature. It's a different beast entirely. It's probabilistic, it's data-hungry, and it doesn't care about your 2-week sprint cycles. If you try to manage an AI model like a standard CRUD app, your built-in quality is going to tank before the first inspect and adapt. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best practices for product owners who are sick of AI being a black box. We're talking about moving from feature-ready to data-ready and how to actually define done when your code is literally guessing. Let's dive in. Integrating AI into a scaled Agile framework, SAFe. Environment shift the product owner's role from managing deterministic software to managing probabilistic systems. In SAFe, where you are balancing the tactical needs of an Agile team with the strategic alignment of the Agile Release Train, these 5 best practices are essential for successful AI deployment. First, best practice. Pivot from feature-ready to data-ready. In traditional SAFe, a story is ready when requirements are clear. In AI, a story cannot be ready if the data is missing or dirty. As a product owner, you must treat data readiness as a primary constraint in your backlog refinement. Collaborate with data engineers and architects during innovation and planning iterations to ensure data pipelines are prioritized as enabler stories before the functional AI features hit the sprint. It prevents block sprints where developers have an algorithm but no quality data to train or test it on. Second best practice. Incorporate non-deterministic acceptance criteria. AI outputs are rarely 100% correct. They are based on probability. Traditional binary acceptance criteria like the system shall display the price don't work for AI. Use performance-based acceptance criteria. Instead of the AI identifies the object, use the model achieves a precision of greater than 85% and a recall of greater than 80% on the standardized validation set. It aligns the team and stakeholders on a definition of done that accounts for the inherent uncertainty of AI. Third best practice. Manage the AI research spike in program increment planning. AI development often involves research cycles that don't fit into a standard 2-week sprint. During program increment planning, POs often struggle to estimate how long a model will take to learn. Use spikes for model exploration and architecture. Break AI features into 2 parts. First part, feasibility/discovery spike. Can we solve this with AI? Second part, implementation/refinement. Integrating the model into the app. It protects the team's velocity by separating high-risk research from predictable software delivery. Fourth best practice, implement human-in-the-loop guardrails. As the voice of the customer, the product owner must ensure the AI doesn't hallucinate or provide biased results that damage user trust. Design user stories that include human-in-the-loop workflows. For example, the AI drafts a response, but the user must click Approve before it is sent. This builds built-in quality, a core SAFe principle, by using human judgment to mitigate the risks of early-stage AI models. Fifth best practice, measure value drift via continuous monitoring. Standard software doesn't degrade over time, but AI models do, known as model drift. A feature that worked in Sprint 3 might be inaccurate by Sprint 10 because the real-world data changed. Add monitoring and observability as a standard part of your definition of done. Work with system architects to ensure the continuous delivery pipeline includes telemetry to track model performance in production. It ensures the business value you promised during the system demo remains consistent long. Look, at the end of the day, SAFe is designed to handle complexity, but AI adds a layer of uncertainty that can rattle even the most seasoned product owner. The secret isn't to work harder, it's to shift your mindset. Stop being a requirements manager and start being a data value curator. If you can bridge the gap between the data science lab and the end user's needs, you won't just be shipping features. You will be shipping intelligence that actually scales. But hey, knowing the theory is one thing. Writing the stories is another. Deploy these best practices in your SAFe Agile project. Share your experiences in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into Agile and emerging tech.